This is a room 1175 on the Carnival Miracle. We're on the first floor. Typical Carnival bathroom. Light switch by the door. You got a full-length closet with hangers. Another full-length closet with a double row of hangers. And then you got a closet with shelves. Nice mirror. Work area. Got a hair dryer. Three spacious drawers. You got a couch that turns into a bed. And then there's the bed in the ceiling that comes down. Our room's made up into two double beds. Got the mini fridge. Ice. The safe. Another mirror, little shelf. It's pretty spacious. It's about the same size as a balcony. You just don't have the balcony. And then the view, we have a full-size window. And we are moving. We are not far off the water. But it's a nice little setup. You got the thermostat, the vents are in the wall instead of over in the ceiling. And small TV. And that's about it.